Rehabilitation of large diameter riveted steel penstock on aging dam using FRP. Crews from QuakeWrap, its specialty installation company FRP Construction, and SDG Engineering celebrated the new year 2020 by putting the final touches on the rehabilitation of a section of large, 120-inch diameter riveted steel penstock inside the hydroelectric dam at the popular Lake Lure Resort area in Rutherford County, North Carolina. The Lake Lure Dam is nearing its 100th birthday with up to 80% wall loss on its penstock due to corrosion over time. Project engineer SDG Engineering recommended a fully structural lining system for the internal pressure from 100 feet of hydrostatic head. QuakeWrap design and materials and the team from FRP Construction were selected for the design-build solution that would extend the dam's service life for another 50 years. The geometry of the pipe proved to be very challenging. It included an initial 120-inch diameter that was reduced to 96-inch and further reduced to a 48-inch diameter pipe with a butterfly valve, a 72-inch pipe branching off of the 96-inch pipe and terminating with a butterfly valve was also present. QuakeWrap designed a fully structural carbon FRP liner system to retrofit the 67-foot penstock between the valves at the upstream and downstream ends. This CFRP liner system with dielectric barrier not only reinforced the impermeability of the penstock, but also contributed additional strength to the system in both hoop and longitudinal directions of significant stress. QuakeWrap engineers, with experience in rehabilitating leaky penstock all over the globe, were able to discover which areas of the large pipe were most likely the thinnest due to constant water flow and turbulence. A special coating that included provisions for monitoring of abrasion levels was applied to the finished installation. Dual steel band EPDM compression seals that passed pressure test upon installation were performed to secure end terminations. Installation was performed successfully by FRP Construction in 2 weeks using the wet layup method, meeting the scheduled completion deadline in time to refill the lake back to its normal operating levels for recreational activities to begin in the spring. QuakeWrap has over 25 years' experience in advanced construction technologies utilizing FRP, and its installation company, FRP Construction, has over 4,900 days with zero lost time from accidents, a significant safety milestone. More information on QuakeWrap's penstock repair capabilities can be found at www.quakewrap.com or by calling the number shown here.